3 best foods to boost blood flow. Down there after 60. Natural erection and vitality tips. There is a saying that caused me to pause and reflect deeply for quite some time. A man experiences 2 significant moments of loss. The first occurs when his heart ceases to beat, and the second when he can no longer achieve an erection. It might seem a bit strong, but if you are over 60, you may recognize that this sensation goes beyond the physical aspect. It's a quiet moment, a deeply personal experience of loss that can be difficult to express for a gentleman. Vitality is not merely a display for others, it is a profound sense of well-being that comes from within. Sometimes, it is the gentle changes that may go unnoticed that indicate the initial signs of decline. It is commonly thought that memory loss, back pain, or fatigue are the most noticeable signs of aging. However, it is important to recognize that physiological decline, particularly feelings of weakness, tightness, or diminished response in the genital area, can often serve as an early indicator of changes in your body. Some individuals may notice a gentle pressure, a peculiar discomfort, or perhaps a lack of that usual sense of preparedness. It's not something to be overly concerned about, nor does it require immediate attention, but it may lead to some gentle self-reflection. This matter extends beyond mere physical intimacy. It involves a more profound inquiry. Am I still the person I know? It's important to understand that this feeling originates from a place beyond your thoughts. This condition arises from your circulatory system, specifically due to a reduction in nitric oxide production. This important molecule plays a crucial role in relaxing blood vessels and ensuring that blood reaches the appropriate areas when needed. When blood flow decreases, you may notice that everything feels a bit slower, heavier, and less comfortable. It's important to recognize that this can affect your connection with a vital part of yourself. I'm pleased to share that there are ways to prevent this. Today, I would like to guide you through the process. In this video, I will gently guide you through 3 scientifically supported foods that can assist in preventing blood flow issues in the penis, enhancing circulation, and helping you regain your strength without relying on medication. One of them seems to operate quite efficiently. It's quite possible you'll notice a change by the end of this week. Let us start with the first food that can significantly improve blood circulation to your penis. Beets can be quite beneficial for your health. It might be quite surprising to learn that a simple, deep purple root can have a significant effect on men's health after the age of 60. In contemporary nutritional practices, beets are viewed as a remarkable aid for revitalizing sluggish circulation. As your body processes the natural nitrates present in beets, they transform into nitric oxide, a vital molecule that assists in widening blood vessels and relaxing the inner lining of capillaries. This is particularly important in the male genital area, where good circulation plays a crucial role in achieving and sustaining an erection in younger men. There is a plentiful production of nitric oxide, which allows blood vessels to expand and contract with ease. However, after the age of 60, this process tends to slow down significantly. It's important to understand that sensitivity may decrease over time. Arousal can take longer to achieve, and you might experience some unusual tightness that isn't easily explained. Starting your day with a simple glass of beet juice or incorporating a few slices of boiled beet into your meal can gently encourage the rejuvenation of your blood vessels. I had the opportunity to try it with my grandfather, who is now over 80, and you know what? A wonderful event has taken place. He became cheerful and energetic, rediscovering the joys of life as if he were 50 once more. If you happen to be of a similar age, or know someone who is, I kindly encourage you to share this video with them. A simple click may assist someone in regaining the life they once enjoyed now. Let us discuss the topic of watermelon rind. Many individuals may not realize that they are discarding a valuable part of the watermelon, the white section that lies between the sweet red flesh and the firm green skin. While it may not be sweet, crunchy, or visually appealing like the flesh, That white rind contains a significant amount of citrulline. This compound is known to assist in relaxing blood vessels and alleviating minor spasms, particularly in the genital area. As we age past 60, it's important to be aware that blood vessels may become more sensitive, which can lead to increased constriction and a slower recovery after arousal. While you might not experience any sharp pain, you may notice a persistent tightness that can make intimacy feel a bit less comfortable. Citrulline serves as a supportive ally, not by hastening your heart's pace, but by softly widening your capillaries, easing pressure, and helping to regain lost flexibility. I had a thoughtful discussion with Robert regarding this matter, and quite impressively, just 1 week after incorporating watermelon rind into his morning smoothies, he observed a positive change. The discomfort in your lower abdomen has eased in the mornings, and those intimate moments are now a source of comfort rather than worry. The recovery you experienced was not due to external factors. Rather, it stemmed from a gentle and timely form of nourishment. It's possible you've encountered similar guidance in another video, but as someone who has supported many individuals, I want to reassure you that aging is a natural journey we all experience. You are just like everyone else in this regard. It is important to recognize that we continue to live with it, accepting it as a natural part of life that we cannot avoid. Finally, we arrive at pumpkin seeds, which are often discarded but hold valuable benefits that many men over 60 may find quite beneficial. Within their small shells, you will find a unique blend of minerals. Magnesium helps to relax blood vessels and alleviate that tense sensation during arousal. Zinc plays a vital role in supporting testosterone production, a hormone that tends to diminish as we age. Additionally, arginine, an essential amino acid, aids in increasing nitric oxide, which is crucial for ensuring proper blood flow to the areas where it is most needed. Consider Thomas, a gentleman in his 65s who has served as an officer in the Air Force. He recounted a story that left many in quiet astonishment. He still had desire, but he frequently experienced an unusual tightness in his lower body, accompanied by a vague sense of pressure. After incorporating a spoonful of raw pumpkin seeds into his breakfast each day, he noticed a pleasant sense of relaxation throughout his body. With time, you will find relief from stiffness, allowing you to embrace the evening without fear. What is truly remarkable is that the sense of returning to oneself emerged not from a dramatic shift, but rather from a gentle, sincere, and gradual healing process. A small quantity of seeds, however, they possessed a gentle resilience that seems to be fading in many men today from these seemingly small things. The journey to reclaiming your sense of manhood can begin in a very natural manner. What occurs when these three wonderful foods unite? Shall we explore this together, incorporating beets, watermelon, and pumpkin seeds into your daily routine is a wonderful way to nourish your body. It can help to awaken a vital system that may have become less active over time and with neglect. Beets can help improve blood circulation by replenishing nitric oxide levels in the body. Watermelon, particularly the often disregarded white rind, can provide a gentle relief for constricted capillaries, helping to ease any discomfort you may experience during arousal. Pumpkin seeds, though small, are quite powerful and can aid in rebuilding muscle, supporting hormones, and enhancing the deep vascular systems. Every food plays an important role, and when they come together, they create a harmonious and thoughtful cycle of rejuvenation. It's important to approach this gently, without any pressure or reliance on medication. Your body deserves to be cared for in a gentle and consistent manner, just as it has always needed. Patience and kindness are essential in this process. After a week, you might observe gentle changes, perhaps a more restful night's sleep, waking up feeling lighter, or experiencing a moment of renewed energy. Embrace the gentle reminders from your body. It's guiding you to rediscover the joys of living once more. And from that point, recovery becomes a more gentle journey. It is a journey back, a gentle reconnection with your true self. If you are seeking a beneficial approach to aging, please pay attention to this advice. There's no need for a gym, intricate diets, or costly equipment. Consider incorporating 3 simple items into your daily routine. Start your morning with a glass of beet juice to help stimulate circulation. Enjoy a refreshing watermelon smoothie around midday, red for flavor and white for its beneficial properties, and finish your day with a handful of pumpkin seeds in the evening. It's important to take a moment for yourself each day, nurturing your body and replenishing those essential minerals, especially as we gracefully age. Incorporate some gentle habits into your daily routine. Remember to stay hydrated. Take a few leisurely walks around your yard, and dedicate a few moments each morning to listen to your breath and heartbeats. After the age of 60, it's important to approach your body with care. It doesn't require pushing. Rather, it benefits from gentle reminders of how it once moved so effortlessly. In doing so, you may find that this journey becomes much more enjoyable. This has become your daily practice, a gentle way to honor yourself with patience and care. It's important to focus on yourself, not for the sake of others or to demonstrate anything, but because, after all you have experienced, you truly deserve to feel strong, clear, and deeply connected once more, in just 7 days, with sincere effort and commitment. You can not only improve your blood flow, but also foster a deeper belief in the strength of your own body. This is not about healing, it's about returning to a previous state. And finally, I want to express that my intention is not to instill fear, but rather to encourage you. You've made significant progress, and it's important not to remain silent or let yourself fade away. Within each fragile blood vessel and every moment of numbness, there remains a gentle yet unwavering voice within your body. It's important to understand that this isn't about placing blame. It would be wonderful if you could return. Some things we believe to be lost forever may simply be resting beneath the dust of time. The feelings of arousal, strength, and desire do not vanish. Rather, they become dormant beneath the weight of fatigue, pressure, and the numerous occasions when you have denied yourself these experiences. When you begin to take small, gentle steps without any pressure, you may find that wonderful changes start to occur, and your body begins to respond positively. A deeper sleep, waking up without discomfort, and experiencing a warm sense of self-acceptance are not merely distant aspirations. They are indeed a genuine aspect of who you are. It's important to embrace the idea that you can still experience life to the fullest and feel deeply, even after reaching the age of 60. Timely care can help you awaken to this possibility. It's important to remember that this journey is yours alone to navigate.